Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, my dear students, today we will learn a new topic, stars, planets, and the moon. So, let us begin. During daytime, we see the sun in the sky. At night, we can see the moon and many stars. Let us discover more about the amazing things in the sky. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay, first we will discuss about stars. On a clear night, we can see uncountable stars twinkling in the sky. Stars are huge balls of burning gases. Stars produce heat and light of their own. They are very far from us. That is why they look like speak of light. Stars are huge balls of burning gases. They produce heat and light of their own. They are very far from us. See, the sun is also a star. It is the closest star to the earth. That is why it appears so big. It is made up of hot gases. See, stars appear to form different patterns or designs in the sky. These groups of stars are called constellations. See, constellations have been named after animals and mythical people. Ursa Major, also known as the Great Bear, Orion, the Great Hunter, are two famous constellations in the sky. They can be seen easily on a clear night. Okay, now let's see about planets. Planets. See, planets are huge round objects that go around the sun. The 8 planets in our solar system are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. We live on the planet named as the Earth. See, planets are huge round objects that go around the sun, the 8 planets in our solar system. See, the sun and the 8 planets together form the solar system. See, Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet. See, Neptune is the farthest planet from it. Neptune is the closest planet in the solar system. Okay, so Mercury is the farthest planet from the sun and it is coldest planet in the solar system. See, Jupiter is the biggest planet in the solar system. Venus is the hottest in the solar system. Venus is also a planet now and it is hottest in the solar system. See, some planets appear to shine brightly in the night sky just like stars. However, planets do not have their own light. They get light from the sun. The sunlight falls on the planet is through back. So the sunshine makes the planets glow. Okay? See the shining sun. Okay, the sun is at the center of the solar system. All the planets move around it in their own fixed path called orbits. Okay, this is all about the solar system means planets. Now see the moon. See, the moon is the closest neighbor of the earth in the sky. Okay, the moon is the closest neighbor of the earth in the sky. It is the natural satellite of the earth. A satellite is an object that revolves around the planet. The moon is the natural satellite of the earth. See, the moon takes about 28 days to complete one revolution around the earth. The moon also spins or rotates on its own axis. The moon completes one revolution in about the same time that it takes to complete a rotation about its axis. The moon does not have its own light. See, the moon does not have its own light. It gets light from the sun. This light is thrown back to the earth as moonlight. Now see the phases of the moon. See, the shape of the moon changes every night. We can see only that part of the moon which is lit by the sun. The moon changes its positions due to the rotation and revolution. See, the part of the moon visible to us also keeps changing. So, it appears that moon changes its shape during that time. Okay, so the different shapes of sunlit portion of the moon are called phases of the moon. Let's learn about the phases of the moon. See, new moon. See the picture of new moon? It's look like this. See, when the moon is between the sun and the earth, the side of the moon that faces the earth does not get any sunlight. So the moon is not visible from earth. So this phase of the moon is known as new moon. See, crescent moon. This is how crescent moon looks like. After 3 days of the new moon, we can see a small part of the moon. This stage is called the crescent moon. Now see half moon. After 7 days of the new moon, we can see half of the moon. So this stage is called half moon. Gibbous moon. Gibbous moon. After 10 days of the new moon, we can see more than half of the moon. So this is called gibbous moon. Full moon. After 14 days of the new moon, the moon reaches the opposite side of the earth. In this position, the entire side of the moon that faces the earth gets sunlight. The shape of the moon is entirely visible from the earth. So this is called full moon. The time interval between the two full moon is about 29 days. So this is about the phases of the moon. So this is all about stars, planets and the moon. So my dear students, keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.